Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very special for those who want to make quick recipes and they don't want to stay in the kitchen for a long time. Today's recipe takes only 2 minutes. Yeah, only 2 minutes. Oreo Mug Cake is my today's recipe. Let's move on to it. What I'm doing, I took egg in a bowl and beat it well. If anyone is new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon to never miss any update from my channel for new video. What to do next? Take sugar, which is just 2 tablespoons, and beat it well. This is the time to make your egg fluffy. Mix, mix and mix. Make sure the sugar will be dissolved. What to do next? Just take 4 tablespoons of milk and add to egg mixture, and then take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now it's totally your choice whether you like butter, then add butter. If you don't have butter at home, then use oil. It makes cake more softer than that of butter makes. Okay, now mix well. If you have any request, then let me know in the comment section below. I will like to fulfill your request. Now add Oreos, 3 Oreo biscuits. It's up to you whether you like more Oreos you can put, or you like Oreos to be in a normal amount, you can add. Then add baking powder, half teaspoon. If you don't have, then you can add Eno, half teaspoon, and if you don't have both of these, then skip it. But don't worry, your cake will rise, I guarantee you. Now add cocoa powder, which is 2 tablespoons. Now let me tell you substitute of cocoa powder. It is chocolate. If you have chocolate, then add 10 gram of melted chocolate, which is approximately equal to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And if you don't have, then crush 3 Oreos well and put crushed powder to this batter and mix well. Let me tell you about upcoming recipes. It has become very popular these days. Just wait and watch. Now add quarter cup of all-purpose flour. And substitute for all-purpose flour is wheat flour, and it is available at everyone's home. Wheat flour will make your cake healthy. Now all you have to do is to mix well this batter. Make sure there will be no lumps of flour left in this batter. I have a question. What you guys like to do during a whole day? I know whole world is being locked down and staying home is the best way to stay safe from coronavirus. And I got cure for boredom. Make delicious recipes with me in this isolation. Answer me in the comment section below. See the consistency. This is the consistency for Oreo Mug Cake. Now actually what I am doing, I just took a mug which is suitable for microwave oven and pour all the batter into the mug. Make sure to wipe the sides of the bowl, not to waste batter. I am very conscious about this. I am short on ingredients also. That's why I don't want to waste anything in these days. See how I am wiping the sides of the bowl. I enjoy baking, and that's why I make new things every day, and baking is my hobby too. Wipe, wipe and wipe. My life sucks. Okay, what to do next? Just take Oreo biscuits and crush them into pieces, small pieces, and then I am topping on the mug cake. If you don't want to add, then skip. It will give more taste. Okay, what to do next? Just take this mug and put in the microwave for 1 minute. Just 1 minute, it will be enough. That's why this recipe takes 2 minutes. 1 minute in mixing all the ingredients and 1 minute in microwave oven. Don't eat it immediately after baking. Wait for 1 minute, let it cool a little bit, then eat it. Frost your own. I like Oreos, that's why I am topping with Oreos. Drizzle some chocolate if you want to add. Now I will show you how it looks from inside, how soft it is. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat this. Okay guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching this. See you next time.